a lot of different types of interactivity you can add to your InDesign projects. In this video, you'll explore a few of the many interactive features available, including hyperlinks and animation. Open this practice file from the downloadable practice files for this tutorial if you want to follow along. Now to start, you'll add a link to text in the document using the Hyperlinks panel. So select the Type tool in the Tools panel, and then click in the text here to insert the cursor. Then to select the text, double-click in the website text. To show the Hyperlinks panel, click the workspace switcher above the document and select Digital Publishing to switch workspaces if you don't already see it. Click the Hyperlinks panel to show it. You can add hyperlinks to content like text and frames in a document, so when you export as a format like PDF, EPUB, or you use Publish Online, users can click on the link to go to other locations in the same document, to other documents, or to websites and more. With the text selected, click the Create New Hyperlink option at the bottom of the Hyperlinks panel. In the new hyperlink dialog box that opens, you can choose where to link to, maybe a page in this document or a website, which is a URL. Make sure URL is chosen, and then click in the URL field here. Change the URL to adobe.com. Leave this shared hyperlink selected. For some of the link to options, it stores the destination in the hyperlinks panel so you can reuse it. If you drag the dialog box out of the way by the title bar so you can see the text, you can see it applies an underline and other formatting as a character style added to the document called hyperlink. Now to remove or change that styling, click the Style menu and choose a different formatting option like None. Click OK to apply the hyperlink. You can now see the link listed in the Hyperlinks panel, so you can edit it or use it again if you want to. Now, another type of interactivity you'll explore is animation. Using the animation panel you see here, you can apply a motion preset to content that makes it appear to fly in from the left side of the screen while shrinking and spinning, for instance. Select the Selection tool in the Tools panel and click to select the text Quiet Places because you're going to apply animation to that. Over on the right, click Animation to show the animation panel. Now to apply animation, click the Preset menu and you'll see a lot of animation presets listed in here. Choose Fly In From Top. A preview of the animation appears in the top part of the panel, this little butterfly. There are a lot of animation types to choose from, and you can explore as much as you want. Know that you'll need to test an animation preset in your intended file format to make sure that it's supported. There are a lot of options for you to set when it comes to animation. You can set when the animation takes place, called the event. You can set how long the animation takes or the duration, and a lot more. Now to test the animation, click the Preview Spread button at the bottom of the panel to open the EPUB Interactivity Preview panel if it's not already open. You can click the Play Preview button at the bottom of the panel to see it again if you want. Now if you make changes in the animation panel to the selected object, you can click that Play Preview button in the EPUB Interactivity Preview panel to see the change automatically. Animation you create works in fixed layout EPUB export and when using Publish Online. There really are a lot of other types of interactivity you can add to your documents, including placing video and sound files and setting options in the media panel, working with object states to turn multiple objects like a series of images into a multi-state object that can act like a slideshow, for example, or adding working buttons and forms. Now that you have a basic understanding of a few of the many different types of interactivity you can apply to your InDesign documents, you can start to explore adding interactivity to your own documents, like links to websites and email addresses, and so much more. When you're ready to share your InDesign documents, whether they have interactivity or not, you can do so using several different file formats, including PDF and fixed layout EPUB, as well as share it via Publish Online. In this video, you'll focus specifically on publishing using Publish Online. You can open this file from the practice files for this tutorial if you'd like to follow along. Now to share your document with others, you can publish it using Publish Online. After you publish your document, you can share the online document URL so anyone can view the document online, on any device, on any platform, complete with interactive features like buttons, slideshows, animations, and a whole lot more. Anyone who has the link to the published document can view it in any web browser without logging in. Now, with your document open, come above the document and click the Publish Online button in the InDesign application bar here. If you're publishing your document for the first time, select Publish New Document in the dialog box that opens. After publishing, if you need, you can return to this dialog box and update the existing document. You can change the title of the document that users will see. You can add a description of the document. Maybe I'll type Poetry Reading at the Library Resource Center. You can select which pages to publish. You can select whether the viewer will see individual pages or spreads. This document has a single page, so that won't matter. You can also allow viewers to download a PDF copy of your document, which they can then distribute and upload manually. I'll select that. The published document can also be embedded on any website or blog using embed code provided when the users view the layout online, or shared via social networks and email. You can select this option if you don't want document viewers to see the share or embed options for your published document. Clicking the Advanced tab at the top, you can select an image to display as your cover image for social posting. That's the first thing users will see. And you can choose things like the format, resolution, and quality level for images within the document. Okay, now to publish the document, click Publish. After it's published, you can view the document in browser, copy a link to share with others, or share a link to it via social media. Click View Document to see it. It should open in your default web browser. Published online documents are hosted on Adobe servers, and each published document is assigned its own unique URL. While viewing it, you can test out the interactivity. You can navigate the pages. You can share the document and more. Back in InDesign, if you want to see documents you've published using Publish Online, InDesign provides a Publish Online dashboard where you can access all of your published documents. Now, to view the dashboard, first click Close, then choose File, Publish Online Dashboard. The dashboard should open in your default browser. On the page, there are two tabs in the dashboard: Document Trends and Overview. You can manage the published document on the Document Trends tab. You can view analytics, share the publication, copy embed code, or delete it. The Overview tab provides insights for all the documents you've published. You can close this page if you want and return to InDesign. Now that you know how to successfully publish a document using Publish Online, the next time you have a document you'd like to share with others, you can easily generate a digital version of an InDesign document that works on any device in any modern web browser.